I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, check the model on the case back so you know the exact menu names, then press and hold O or mode for 2-3 seconds to reach the setting sequence. Once in, move quickly through screens with the lower right button. You're aiming for alarm or hourly chime. Make sure the watch has sufficient battery. Low power can misbehave, so swap battery first if the display is faint. You're ready for the actionable change in the next step. Once done reaching the OM or SIG screen, use mode to select the SIG/hourly chime option. You'll see SIG or a bell icon. Press A or ADJ to toggle that setting to OFF. Some models show on /OFF text, others remove the icon. Make sure to check all alarm banks. Disable any alarm set to hourly if your model includes multiple alarms. After toggling, exit settings to save. Pressing mode repeatedly or a specific save button returns you to normal time display. To finish, confirm the bell or SIG icon is gone from the main display and listen at the top of the hour to ensure silence. If the change didn't stick, remove the back, pull the battery for about 10 seconds, then reinstall to reset memory and repeat steps. Make sure contacts are clean. If it still beeps, suspect a stuck contact or internal alarm IC fault. Have a watch tech inspect it. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.